Here at Blue Beetle, we love what we do. We enjoy hunting down pests and preventing pests from causing problems. We take great pride in protecting people's homes and their businesses from any issues. We have a great job and we take it very seriously, and we just love what we do. We want to protect you, your family, your pets, and your biggest investment, your home. Pests can come in your house at any time of the year, any season, and every season brings a different pest. We want to protect your home throughout the entire year.
I love Blue Beetle because their technicians are all background checked. My home is bug-free, and I feel safe and comfortable when they come into my home.
Before I started Blue Beetle, I worked in the pest industry and learned a lot of great things, but also learned kind of what not to do. And we apply those here at Blue Beetle, such as once-a-week trainings for all of our technicians, background checks, quality equipment, quality chemicals, quality cars, just doing the right fundamentals and the right things, and having an incredible set of values that we abide by here at Blue Beetle.
My overall experience with Blue Beetle so far in Brookside has been exceptional. I contacted Mitch Shipman at Blue Beetle, and within hours I had someone on site at my home.
From day one, we will come out and do a full inspection of the property, meet with you, and get an action plan on how to make sure that your house doesn't have any pests moving forward in the future. And then we come back 30 days later for another treatment. Then quarterly after that, because there's a different pest for every season of the year. And you have to always be protected throughout the entire year. When you see that Blue Beetle pull up in front of your home, just know that your pest problem is going to be solved and your home is going to be protected all year long. If you're having any problems, call Blue Beetle. I know we can solve any pest issue and keep the bugs out.